Audio, one of the most tedious and difficult part of film. Just joking, it's actually pretty simple. And in this video, I'm going to be recording 3 different sounds. Sound number 1, I'm going to be opening a fizzy can of water. Number 2, crunching a very crunchy leaf. And number 3, well, you're gonna have to stick around to find out. And it's all going to be recorded on the DJI Mic Mini 2. So let's get into it. This is the audio that is coming straight from the camera. As you can hear, it is not very good. So that is why I use the DJI Mic Mini. And the nice thing about it, it is wireless, so I can walk as far away as I want without losing any audio quality because I've got it here. But if I step further and further back, the audio just gets worse and worse until like it's basically unusable. So that's basically what it does. Alright, so now that you know what the mic does, let's get inside and start recording some audio. Alright, so we have got it's actually a soda stream, but we got this and we fizzed it all up. So I'm gonna put the mic right here and I'm gonna be holding it as I open it. So let's hear if there's a sizzle. That seemed to work pretty good. I hope it works. Oh, that audio sounded so good. Alright, let's go record shot number 2. Alright, so this is test number 2. I'm actually going to be using lots of leaves because I couldn't find a big leaf. So I'm just going to be using lots of little leaves. I think I'll be doing the same effect, but let's find out. So the third and final shot is going to be me recording the audio of my dog eating his treats. I'm hoping to get that amazing sound, and yeah, let's go do it. For the final test, I've got my dog and I'm gonna attach the mic to his fur, hoping that will capture him chowing some food. Hi Tessie, I'm sorry. Okay, let's get some of this. Do you just want the treats? Why didn't you want to eat anything? If I hold the mic now, he does not like the mic in his face. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we got some food. Look. That is the end of this video. I really enjoyed it. So one of my favorite to make. Tell me which one you prefer. The dog, the soda stream, or the leaves. I honestly loved the dog the most. I just loved the sound that he was making when he was chewing. Just amazing. Yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one.